To continue with our study for German for beginners, now we are in chapter 4 where we'll discuss more on the days. So, which not only include the days but also includes the months and seasons and how we are pronouncing in German. So, let's start. So days open week, days open week. How we are pronouncing? So Monday, Montag, Tuesday, Dienstag, Wednesday, Mittwoch, Thursday, Donnerstag, Friday, Freitag, Saturday, Samstag, Sunday, Sonntag. So to repeat, Monday, Montag, Tuesday, Dienstag, Wednesday, Mittwoch, Thursday, Donnerstag, Friday, Freitag, Saturday, Samstag, Sunday, Sonntag. So other forms or other words related with the days are as follows. So day in English, in German it is Tag. And if multiple days, Tage. Week, Woche. Plural, Wochen. Month, Monat. Months, Monate. Year, Jahr. Years, Jahre. Today, heute. Tomorrow, morgen. Tonight, heute Abend. Yesterday, gestern. Yesterday, gestern. Last night, gestern Abend. So other formats like daily, it's got täglich, weekly, wöchentlich, monthly, monatlich, yearly, jährlich. So notice here in these words the use of umlauts. So a umlaut, o umlaut. If you want to say Mondays in plural, it will be Montags. Similarly, Dienstags for Tuesdays, Mittwochs for Wednesdays, and so on for the other days. Now let us come. How do we pronounce the 12 months in German? So let us start with January. So January in German is Januar. February, Februar, March, March, April, April, May, May, June, Juni, July, Juli, August, August, September, September, October, October, November, November, December, December. Finally, seasons in an year. So, unlike English or unlike India, there are 4 specific seasons there in German. So, summer is called Sommer, autumn, Herbst, winter, Winter, spring, Frühling. Spring, Frühling. Just interchange it. So generally we have 3 months per season here. So winter is generally with December, January, February. So after winter it is spring. So spring is March, February, March, April. Then comes Sommer, May, Juni, July, and finally August, September, October for verbs. So with this we are concluding our vocabulary is related to days, months, session. Thanks. We will come back soon with more details in some new chapter.